Hello viewers, welcome to today's video. I'm Rebecca Naftali, the food scientist. My role as a food scientist is to ensure that your market, your table and your stomach has nutritious and safe food. Few days ago, Africa Summit was held here in Kenya, and the main aim of that summit was to discuss solutions to challenges that our planet is facing due to climate change. We are informed that the cause of that climate change is the presence of excess carbon in the atmosphere, and this carbon has been destroying the ozone layer. You may ask yourself, what is the role of ozone layer? The role of ozone layer is to absorb harmful sun rays from sunlight, allowing only harmless sun rays to reach the earth. So if this ozone layer is destroyed, that means there's nothing that will hold harmful rays from reaching the earth. And the presence of these harmful rays on earth has two effects. Number one, they cause global warming, and global warming lead to unpredictable weather patterns, and these affect the production of food in the farms. Number two, these rays destroy our skin and eyes, leading to diseases like cancer and cataracts. The major contributor of excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is industrialization and deforestation. Industries have been releasing carbon dioxide to the environment, but the planet does not have enough trees to absorb that carbon dioxide. As a food scientist, I'm so much concerned about this climate change because food production systems are part of industrialization. In addition, if agriculture is affected, that means people will not have enough food to consume. And one of the solutions for this climate change was to plant as many trees as possible so that these trees can absorb the excess carbon dioxide from the environment. Remember, the plants use carbon dioxide during the day to form food. As a food scientist, I recommend that apart from planting other types of trees, plant as many fruit trees as possible. This is because apart from these fruit trees absorbing carbon dioxide from the environment, they produce fruits for us to eat. And remember, most of these fruits have substances that will help our skin and eyes to fight the effect of these harmful rays. Today, I'm going to talk about one of the most important fruit, that is pawpaw. Remember, this fruit has vital nutrients that our body needs. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss those specific vital nutrients and the role of each nutrient in our body. It's delicious, and I know that apart from being delicious, it has so many benefits in my body. So ensure that before today ends, you have consumed a piece of pawpaw. And if you do not have a pawpaw tree, ensure that by the end of this week you have planted 1 or 2 pawpaws in your compound. Let's continue. The first nutrients in our list is antioxidants. Under antioxidants, we have zeaxanthin. The role of zeaxanthin is to absorb harmful blue rays from sunlight, hence protecting our eyes from being damaged. The second type of antioxidant, we have carotenoids. Carotenoids are coloring pigments that make our pawpaw yellow in color. As you can see, our ripe pawpaw is yellow in color. And examples of carotenoids, we have lycopene, alpha carotene, beta carotene, and others. These carotenoids are antioxidant because they have conjugated double bonds which are easily oxidized by oxidizing agent. During metabolism in our body, free radicals like single oxygen are produced. These free radicals can lead to oxidative damage of vital organs like heart. So there is a need to remove those radicals from the body. So it's the function of carotenoids to react with these free radicals, making them harmless to our body. This decreases the risk of getting cancer, cataracts, and cardiovascular diseases. The third example of antioxidants, we have vitamin C. Vitamin C can also react with free radicals, hence improving our immune system. The second nutrient that is found in pawpaw is vitamin A. The function of vitamin A is to improve our eyesight. Remember, carotenoids can also be transformed in liver to vitamin A. So carotenoids can also increase the vitamin A activity of pawpaw. The next nutrient is potassium. Potassium aids in exchange of nerve signals between the body and the brain. These nerve signals are made by potassium ions moving out of the cells and sodium ions moving into the cells. These signals help the body to control muscle contractions, heartbeat, and other body functions. Pawpaw also has vitamin B9 or folic acid. Folic acid is best for pregnant women because the body uses this vitamin to form red blood cells and DNA, hence contribute to good development of fetus in the uterus. But pregnant women should avoid semi-ripe and unripe pawpaw. They should only consume ripe pawpaw. This because semi and unripe pawpaw have a lot of latex, and latex has high amount of papain enzyme. This enzyme may trigger contraction of uterus, leading to early labor pain. The next substance in pawpaw which is important to our body is dietary fiber. Dietary fiber cannot be digested by our small intestines, hence it does not have nutritive value to our body. But dietary fiber plays the following roles in our body to ensure that we lead a healthy life. Number 1, dietary fiber can help us to control our blood sugar by reducing absorption of sugar to our blood stream. Hence, pawpaw is best for diabetic people and those people who want to control their blood sugar. The second use of dietary fiber in our body is that they tend to trap toxins which might cause cancer. The next use of dietary fiber is that they are used as food to good microorganisms in the large intestines. So these good microorganisms consume fiber, producing acids which create harsh conditions to the harmful microorganisms. So if this environment is harmful to these microorganisms, harmful microorganisms are flushed out of our system, hence improving our immunity. Fiber increases the weight of your stool, hence it shortens the time taken for the stool to move in the intestines, hence prevent constipation. The next use of fiber, it can lower blood cholesterol by sweeping out bile produced by liver, reducing chances of being reabsorbed to the blood. This removal of cholesterol helps your body from getting cardiovascular diseases. Pawpaw has an enzyme called papain. This enzyme is not a nutrient but has the following vital functions in our body. Number 1, it improves digestion by aiding breakdown of complex proteins which can take long to be digested, hence relieves you from stomach discomforts. The second use of papain is that it can be used as natural treatment of skin diseases. This because papain is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antibiotic properties. And the third use of papain, this is not for the body, it can be used as meat tenderizer, as in it can help you to make your meat soft. So in case you have your pawpaw at home, you can take that liquid that comes from pawpaw fruit. It's called latex. You can take that latex, apply on your meat and leave it for some time. That papain in latex will break down the tough tissues of your meat, making it soft. Pawpaw has high amount of water, hence can prevent your body from being dehydrated. Finally, it's believed that pawpaw can relieve you from menstrual pain. So instead of going for over-the-counter drugs, you can opt to use pawpaw to reduce your menstrual pain. I believe you have discovered that pawpaw has vital substances like carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin A, papain enzyme, dietary fiber, potassium and folic acid. Let's consume pawpaw fruit oftenly to protect our bodies from infections and chronic diseases. Thank you very much for watching my video. Kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to like and share this video.